Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Thuso Phokge from Bloemfontein. I'm a founder of Thuso's Meals, Nourishing Busy Lives. My services are I cater for busy lifestyles, for busy moms, working moms who actually don't have a chance to prepare food for their kids and their families at home. So what I do, I prepare ready meals, and all you do, you just contact my number and you can just ask me what is on the menu for the day, and then I can deliver food for you. Other services that we provide, I all do school lunch boxes. I do office lunch boxes. I also do small events, weddings, funerals, and little parties. My contact details are, you can give me a WhatsApp on 081 045 6165. Social media, you can follow me on Facebook at Thuso and Instagram thuso.phokge. Hi, my name is Thuso and I'm a township entrepreneur.